Despite Ireland's one-day international series against the West Indies being cancelled earlier this week, against the United States that should have been being cancelled earlier this week, the West Indies' three-match ODI series and a one-off T20 against the Irish are still scheduled to go ahead in Jamaica starting January 8th. Now, as Jerome Foster reports, the Irish squad is scheduled to arrive in Jamaica on Friday.
Got him! There were doubts over the West Indies and Ireland series going ahead after two Irish players were identified as close contacts of positive cases on Tuesday, which forced the cancellation of the USA ODI series. Additionally, on Thursday, opening batsman Paul Stirling and all-rounder Shane Getcate tested positive and will at least miss the first ODI next Saturday. In spite of these challenges and Jamaica's Covid-19 positivity rate up to 32% as of December 29, CEO of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Courtney Francis, says things are coming together for the 4 matches at Sabina Park.
It has been very challenging under the circumstance because, as you do something today, you have to change it tomorrow and the other day. So you keep changing plans daily. So that in itself is a challenge, a real challenge. But we understand and appreciate the circumstance. We know that we have to secure our lives. So we are conforming fully with the DMRA and the approval of the government. And we intend to ensure that we do whatever is necessary so we protect all concerned.
Meanwhile, Francis says the government's non-approval of spectators for the matches came as no surprise, but needs some consistency.
The concern that I have is that there is no standard process procedure. Like for example, we could say that as soon as the positivity rate hits a certain number, then we're going to shut down. So I would love to have a formula that is standard across the board, and so therefore everybody has to conform by it. But outside of that, I am good to go.
Medical officials have warned that Jamaica will see increased COVID-19 numbers in the coming months, but Francis is banking on the experience of hosting Pakistan earlier this year.
From all indication that went well, except for one person who eventually, after tested, came back positive. That's a Pakistani gentleman. So we did well in my view. So therefore, with that experience and what we have to do now, we just have to ensure that we conform to similar processes to ensure that this time we come out of it with the hope that no one is contaminated.
The matches at Sabina Park are slated for January 8, 11, 14, and the one-off T20 on January 16. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.